Hello everyone, welcome to our channels. Hope you are doing good. And previous tutorials we will discuss about what is MBC, why we need MBC, and uh, their pro and cons of MBC. And it's a very famous framework we will discuss about. Then after that we will discuss about their design patterns and their types. Okay, so today we will discuss about very important framework about a Spring MVC and why we use it in programming language. Okay, so today we will learn about. Okay, so just a minute, I'm setting my screen. Okay, please connect with me. Yeah. So today we will learn what is framework and why we use it is in programming. Okay. So let's I move to the I want to be a full page. So yeah. So before we move to the MBC, we will learn about before what is framework. Okay. So framework is a nothing like when we build a house, like when we you build your house, we don't create every brick or wall from scratch, right? We don't create a brick, yeah, wall from scratch. You know that, right? So we use ready-made walls also, roof and designs, right? We only decorate it. Am I right? Am I wrong? Tell me. Please tell me in comment box also. So framework like that. Framework like when you build a house, we don't create a brick or wall from scratch. So a framework is like a ready-made. They give a framework, they give ready-made structures. Like when we build a house, we don't create every bricks or wall from scratch, right? We use ready-made walls also. We will use ready-made roof also, designs also, right? So and then we only decorate it. Am I right? Yes. So framework like that. Framework like just that, it give us a ready-made structures in programming language. So even every programming language, whatever framework we use it, okay. So it gives us ready-made structure. Understood? Hope so. You understood the things. So we just focus on writing our logic. So developers only focus on our writing our logic, not create from scratch everything. We just focus on our writing our logic. Rest of the handle by the framework, other than the rest of the handle by the framework. Okay, so we just focus on our writing on logic. Whatever logic we just put on that. That's it. Interesting. Yeah, because framework is very easy for that because they give lots of things. They give lots of ready-made structures in our programming language. Okay, so we just writing our logic only. Otherwise, we handle everything. So this is the best way we will use in framework. That's why we use in framework. Okay. Let's discuss about another slide. Okay, connect with me. Next. Okay, I want to go full pace. So, okay, see. So, in your mind, hope you like that, like question and analyze on that, like what happened without a framework, ma'am? If you want use framework, then what happened without using a framework? So without a framework, we have write all the code manually. Like for example, if you want to create a API, okay. So we in API we use everything from scratch. For example, like we create for example we build our house, we build your house, right? We build, even you build your walls also. for a scratch on yourself. Just like that. We have write all the code manually. We manage servlet and GSP on your own. Okay. We repeat the same code again and again. Okay. The project become messy and hard to manage if you want to create, if you want to large project, then this project becomes so messy and hard to manage the code. Okay. That's why without framework, these types of happens occurred. Okay. See, and with framework, what is benefit for us? What is benefit for developers? Let's discuss about. Interesting? Yeah, I know. It's interesting. I know that. Right? Yeah, I want to be a full face again. Yeah. So why we use frameworks? Using frameworks, they help us save time. First of all, like if you are write code manually, each and every code, if you don't manage servlet and JSP page, lots of time taken without framework. So lots of that time, lots of burden in my brain, right? Having so much burdens, body tired. But with using framework, we use save time first of all, write clean and short code like everyone write them, everyone read them, everyone understand them. Okay, get ready-made structures also. They give ready-made structures. That's a very big benefit on them. Focus only on main text, like focus only on the logic only. Build a big web project faster. If you, I already said that if you want to build a big process, the framework will be very helpful us to us. Okay, so that's why we using framework. Okay, yeah. So famous Java framework is like Spring Boot, models, and popular Spring MVC work with MVC patterns. Struts means old less used today. It's a very less used in today because it's a some features are not working, and but in modern Spring, like right now we are running in our famous framework in Java, Spring Boot. A Spring Boot is like first we read first we like we will learn Spring MVC. A Spring MVC is just like a Spring Boot, like some features added on a Spring Boot. First we discuss about MVC, Spring MVC, then we will move to the word Spring Boot. Okay? Yes. So yeah, so learners today we will learn about what framework. Framework is like ready-made work. If you anyone asks me what is framework, if you interviewer asks me what is framework and which framework we will use, then you can say it. Okay. So yeah, it's a ready-made box. Yeah, we can it's a ready-made template that structures that helps our build our website and apps faster. Okay, that's why we use framework. So thank you so much. Thanks for listening. That's all. Okay. Hope you got all the points. And tomorrow we will start our new one. What is a Spring MVCs? Why we need a Spring MVC? It is in programming language. Okay. So please connect with me. Hope you uh got all the points. If you have any query, that time to we if I don't know we have any query, but yeah, if need previous tutorials, if have any query, please let me know and please comment on chat box also and please like and subscribe our channels. Okay, and please don't waste your time. Time is very important and please take care of yourselves and keep learning, keep motivating. Bye bye. Take care.